Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Omisha from Fondering Colors and आज हम पेंट करने वाले हैं गणेश जी. You can see I have painted. I use pastel colors to paint these. But आज हम पेंट करेंगे गणेश जी with acrylic colors and on canvas. I am very excited to paint this. And let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. I find it very beautiful. But let me know in the comment section how you like it. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the video.
So pencil से sketch बनाने के बाद I directly started painting with colors on my canvas. Do not do this mistake. It was a blunder what I did. I'll tell you why. होता क्या है कि हम sketch करने के बाद directly paint करना शुरू कर देते हैं. That is not the correct process. The first step is आपका canvas जो है, the pores of the canvas should be filled with color so that after the painting is completed it does not sneak out from the painting. मेरे साथ यही हुआ था. At the end of the painting I realized कि कहीं ना कहीं white pores रह गए हैं जो कि नहीं रहने चाहिए थे. So what I suggest is the first step after your sketch is done, take some watery mixture of any acrylic color, either white, do not use white, I'm sorry, but either brown, yellow, red, it can be dark blue as well, the basic colors of your painting, and then you can make a watery mixture of it and use it in your painting so that the white pores that sneak out, those do not sneak out and your painting comes out smooth. This is the mistake which I did, but rest all the things I did is in front of you. You can see each and every step that I added. I mixed the color on the canvas, red and yellow to make orange. You can mix it on palette as well. This is my choice of making the color on the canvas, but you should not. You should first mix it and then use it. Then I added a bit of details which I love adding, and then you can see how it turns out to be. See, do not just directly go into hurry that okay I have to apply colors. No, colors are yours, canvas is yours. Take your time and then apply colors. It will come out really well. This Ganesha painting is painted completely by me. I didn't took a lot of time, but yes, it was time taking, adding all the details and everything, and since the pores were sneaking out I had to cover them up as well. If you like this video, do subscribe and let me know in the comment section what next video do you want. Thank you.